On how to get onto a Zoom call if you've never done Zoom before. It's actually pretty simple. You're going to download the Zoom application the first time you use it, whether you're on a Mac, a PC, a phone, or an iPad. The process is going to be pretty similar. If you're on an iPad or a phone, you can go to the App Store, look for Zoom, and download it that way. But I'm going to show you actually an even easier way to do it. So you've got your Zoom invitation, and in the invitation, you'll see a link to the meeting. When you see that link to the meeting, you're just going to click on the link and it'll look like this. It'll say join from PC, Macs, Linux, iOS, or Android. This is the link you're going to want to use. When you click on it, the first time, if you don't have the app installed on your machine, it's going to prompt you to install the app. So it's going to take you to zoom.us. It's going to ask if you want to allow the page to open. You'll say yes. Again, this is going to be similar on any platform you're on. And what's going to happen is the app will ask you if you can download and run it. So we'll just let this happen and I'll show you how it works. So you can see the application is downloading. In this case, I'm on a Mac, so it's going to download to my download folder. It'll be a little bit different if you're on a PC or whatever platform you happen to be on. But you'll look for the Zoom installer package, and you're going to want to install it. Again, this is going to be a little bit different depending on your browser, but it should prompt you to install it. So now that Zoom is installed, if you go back to the email that you started with, and then click on the link again, this time it will actually launch Zoom. So the application will launch, and since you clicked the meeting link, it's going to take you right into the meeting link that you clicked on. And it's kind of dark here, but now you can actually see me because I'm on. So once you're on the Zoom, you might find out that your microphone is muted. If that's the case, you're going to hit join audio, and it'll connect you. You'll see it over here. If you're on a PC or if you're on an iPad, you might have to touch the screen to bring up these menus. But over here is where you're going to mute yourself, unmute yourself, whether you want to speak or not speak. You can stop and start your video with the prompt here. If you go over to the chat, click on the chat button. Again, if you're on a pad or a phone, you might have to touch the screen to get this to come up. But then you can type chat messages in here to anybody else that's in the meeting. So the one other thing, and it's not showing on my screen because I'm the only one in the meeting, but up here in the right corner there'll be an icon for what's called gallery view or speaker view. If it's on gallery view, you'll see everybody in the meeting at the same time. If it's on speaker view, you'll only see the person that's speaking at that particular moment. So real quick to review, the first thing you want to do when you get the email with the invitation, the first time you click on that link, it'll prompt you to download and launch the Zoom application. It won't take you into the meeting the first time. You'll have to go back to the email again, click on the link the second time. This time Zoom will be on your machine and it'll take you right into the meeting, and it'll work that way in the future. So again, one time with the installation. After that, it should be pretty much automatic. Hopefully that helps, and hope it helps. Great. Bye.